In March 1943, the rumor spread that the Jews were being sterilized by X-rays. I did not want to believe such atrocities, but I was forced to yield to the facts when about 2 weeks later they announced the visit of Professor Schumann. I personally had the exceptional honor of being presented to him, and he told me that he wished to put in our department in Block 12 40 prisoners being treated under him without telling us what it was about. He asked me to make an observation sheet for each one of them, to take their temperatures and pulses twice a day and observe the changes that they might show. I observed only a slight rash on the scrotum. These prisoners told me they had been taken to the women's camp. There, their testicles had been exposed to a machine through which an electric current was passed. From the description, one recognized an X-ray machine. From week to week, they came to get several who were taken to Auschwitz. On their return, they told me that sperm had been taken from them by a brutal massage of the prostate. Two months later, they were taken back to the Auschwitz camp, and when they returned, after 1 or 2 weeks, they told me that one testicle had been removed. Many of them died within a short time, morally and physically exhausted. They were forced to return to work, which finished them. Those who survived were taken back 2 months later to Auschwitz for the second testicle to be removed. These operations were performed by a Polish surgeon, Dr. Döring, himself an internee, in the presence of Professor Schumann and an SS doctor, Dr. ANDRÉ. This surgeon operated with quite considerable brutality. The patients received a hasty local anesthetic. Their screams were terrible to hear. Often both testicles were removed at once. The consequences of the operations were catastrophic. Hemorrhages, septicemia, atony of the wounds which would never heal. Many of these guinea pigs died quickly from the after effects of the surgery.